The P0507 code appears when the engine control module detects that the idle speed is higher than the target RPM. In simple terms, the engine is idling faster than it should, but why would this happen? The first cause is a vacuum leak. A vacuum leak can let unmetered air into the engine, raising the idle speed. This can happen due to a cracked vacuum hose, a leaking intake manifold gasket, or a stuck open PCV valve. The second cause is a dirty or faulty idle air control valve. Not all cars have an idle air control valve, but for those that do, it regulates how much air bypasses the throttle body to control idle speed. If it's stuck open, it can allow too much air through, raising the idle speed. The third cause is throttle body carbon buildup. Carbon buildup on the throttle body can prevent the throttle plate from closing properly. This allows more air to pass through, raising the idle speed and triggering the P0507 code. The fourth cause is a sticky throttle cable. On older vehicles with a throttle cable, dirt or wear can cause it to stick, keeping the throttle slightly open. This can increase the idle speed and set off the P0507 code. The fifth cause is a faulty throttle body or electronic throttle control system. If the throttle body motor or sensors fail, the throttle plate may stay open more than it should, raising the idle. The sixth cause is that the ECM may need to relearn the idle position. Sometimes, after a battery disconnect, throttle body cleaning, or replacement, the ECM needs to relearn the proper idle speed. If the idle speed is high, but everything else checks out, a simple idle relearn procedure may fix the issue. Have you dealt with the P0507 code before? Let me know in the comments how you fixed it.